I'll trade my pillow for your company. You know I'd find a window of opportunity to paint a rainbow of silk and call it serendipity. You can drop my motorcycle and all will be forgiven. It's a celebration, so I lift you off the ground. Not only me falling the side around. As the ocean glows like we're in a movie. You got so much sand on your body when my hands be moving softly. Distance was always timed. I can see by the look in your eyes. We had the same gig in life. Now I know too much has been said. I take myself on adventure instead.